this is Dr. Shilpam and today I'm here to discuss with you all about a very prevalent disease that is affecting almost 50% of the population. So I'm talking none other than iron deficiency anemia. This is causing the fluctuations in the hemoglobin level and affecting the overall health of the human being. I'm going to share with you all a very simple and effective methods to maintain the healthy hemoglobin levels in the body. Other than taking supplements, correcting your lifestyle and eating iron-rich food. That method is the right choice of the cookware that can easily fulfill the deficiency of the iron in your body. So cooking with the iron cookware releases small amount of iron into your food, makes your food more healthy to eat as compared to the food which is cooked in the non-stick utensils. Nowadays, people are more towards using the non-stick utensils, but I think very few of them know the fact. So in the non-stick utensils, what happens? There is a coating of Teflon in it, and at a certain amount of time, this coating of Teflon starts breaking down and it starts releasing certain kind of the chemicals into your food which you are cooking in the non-stick pans. These are literally affecting your health a lot, causing the cancer, liver disorders, thyroid related problems and the fertility issues. By incorporating this simple change, you can naturally increase your iron intake and support your overall well-being. Being a doctor, I would recommend you all to try the Indus Valley iron cookware because these cookwares are very safe to use and moreover, these products offer exceptional quality at a best price. Cook effortlessly without worrying about your health. And if you want to avail the extra 12% discount, you can go in the caption and check.